Today I want to ask our agents on the team why they think now is a good time to buy a home.
Right now, there's obviously some people scared of the market, which means there is so much less competition. So people are getting homes for way under these list prices, getting seller concession. So if you have been scared in the past, now is a great time to get in and find your perfect house for you with little to no competition.
Yeah.
New construction, if you guys are looking to get into new construction, you are waiting for the perfect home in your favorite neighborhood to open up, now's the time to call all the builders over there. They are giving away a ton of concessions, a ton of little freebies, and a lot of incentives. So go and talk to your realtor, call us, we'll help you get set up with your builder.
You also have a lot more options today. So where in the past you would have like just a few listings to choose from, now you probably have like 20, 30 or 40 even homes sometimes to be looking at it in some of the areas that you can't get in.
I remember a year ago we had 12 listings in South Lake, and today we have like 80.
Yeah, there's almost about 100, you're right.
Yeah.
And so definitely more choices.
Yep.
I think right now is a great time to buy because interest rates are high, which is probably the opposite of what you've heard online or on the media. And the reason I think it's a good time is because, like some of the other agents have said, homes are sitting longer on the market, sellers are more willing to work with you. And so you can either work down the purchase price or ask for seller concessions for closing costs and things like that. And then when rates come back down, you can refinance. So you're getting the best of both worlds with a home that you've been able to negotiate the purchase price and get some great incentives and flexibility. And then also you're able to secure a lower rate if you can just make it work for a couple months or a year. So I think that's why it's a great time to buy now.
Well, now I think it's a good time to buy a home. Rates aren't as high as people think they are. They're below 6%, which is still a great rate. Prices are continuing to go up. Your rates will fluctuate up and down just a little bit, and you always have the ability to refinance when the rates go down. But prices are continuing to go up, so that's why I think now is a good time to buy.
So now is a good time to buy a home because even though rates are high, you can refinance later. You have less competition. You have new home builders who are willing to wheel in deal, especially if it's before the end of the year. Those are really all the reasons why it's a good time to buy. We are personally purchasing a home right now, so I'm not just saying this because I'm a realtor. I just like not having all the competition, getting more homes to choose from. That's it.